Thanks for coming along and visiting us here at Aidan Piers, the original home of the car search and van search, located in Knutsford, in the heart of Cheshire, where our aim is to give you a greater use value than the cash value we receive when helping you choose your new vehicle or sell your current one. So let's take a look at this absolutely incredible 2015 15-plate Land Rover Defender 90 station wagon. The original factory build was based on the county trim, then upgraded at the factory by special order to excess specification. It has 4 seats, including 2 fold-away rear seats, giving huge load space in the rear, if required. It has covered just 8,380 miles from new, and has a comprehensive service history, consisting of 5 services that last at 6,658 miles, which included the fuel filter. Finished in chorus grey metallic, with black wheel arch surrounds and trims, and contrasted beautifully by red leather, with black leather bolsters. The only thing that distinguishes this vehicle from new is the mileage at 8360. Sitting inside, with the smell of fresh leather, the feel of the steering wheel completely devoid of wear, and the overall feeling is like a brand new vehicle. The 16-inch sawtooth alloy wheels are in superb condition, and wear BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. It has upgraded, premium leather interior, with minimal evidence of use. Power is via the 120 brake horsepower 2.2-litre inline-4 engine, driving all 4 wheels through a 6-speed manual gearbox. There are just 2 loving owners recorded on the V5, with the last only selling very reluctantly, and only due to an investment requirement. Factory features include sound system with Bluetooth, premium leather seats, center console, armrest, and dashboard trimmed in leather to match, factory-fitted anti-lock brakes and traction control, red booster servo kit, to enable a lighter clutch operation, truck light headlamps, optimal stainless steel door handles and bonnet hinges, and Marseille rear corner protectors. Driver comforts and convenience include cold climate pack, which consists of heated seats, windscreen, sunroof, and air conditioning. Heated rear windscreen, anti-lock braking system, dynamic stability control, electronic traction control, 2 rear glazed doors, rubber floor trim, graphite headlights halogen protector, heavy-duty suspension, power-assisted steering, alarm, immobilizer, and Bluetooth. On the exterior, there are drop-down steps, gloss black wheel arches, front bumper and grille surrounds, and black sawtooth alloys, which includes the rear-mounted spare. It has rear quarter lights and rear side windows, as well as a sunroof. Both sets of keys are with the car, along with all books and service records. The vehicle drives like new, and is an absolute pleasure to be in. This little gem could be a vehicle to be kept within a family and passed down through generations. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Drop a comment down below. Hit like and subscribe, and if you'd want to get future videos before the vehicles hit an advert, click the notifications button. A link below shows the vehicle in full detail, and you can see other vehicles on our website, also linked below. Please share the video with friends, and when buying your next vehicle keep in mind our strict buying policy. If it isn't written, it isn't true. And if it is written, read it. If you need any help or advice, pop your questions below, and I will be happy to assist. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.